You may have had a cheeseburger soup, but have you ever tried
a Western Bacon Cheeseburger Soup? And if not, we're going to show you how it's done. So come on in.
Welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer.
And today we thought we'd break out the Dutch oven and the burner here, like Steve used to do, and do this in front of you today.
Yes, with all of you right here with us, like Steve did.
He did.
He loved to cook like that, just show you all the things. So
he can be doing this and then talking back and forth and everything.
Yes, and we have a really great recipe. This is amazing. If you have ever had cheeseburger soup, well, we're going to do a whole new twist to that and make that Western Bacon Cheeseburger Soup with our secret ingredients. So we're going to show you how that's done right now. So we've got our Dutch oven on and it's warming up, and we're starting in the pot here with a whole pound of bacon that Sheila chopped up for us earlier.
Chopped it up,
She just chopped up that bacon and got it all good in small pieces. So we're going to let that start frying up here. All right, so we've turned that down a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and take a slotted spoon and scoop out that bacon now that it's cooked, and we're going to set it aside. I think I got all that out of there. Yep. All right, so now that we've got the bacon out of there, we're just going to set that aside. So then we're going to get our hamburger meat and put it in that bacon drippings there. Bacon grease.
Yeah.
We're just going to put that right on in here. We turn down that heat a little bit.
Dump it in.
Dump it in. I'll take that over here and toss it in the trash. Oh, Mom will. Thanks, Mom.
Welcome.
And Sheila's going to take her little chopper and chop it up.
Is that looking good?
It's looking good.
All right.
Chop all that up into some chunks. Doesn't have to be too choppy, but just you want to leave some chunks, but beautiful.
That's good.
We're going to let that brown up just a little bit, but before we go, we're going to put some onions in there with it. I want those to cook. This is about one
That's
medium.
your size of stuff. This is my size of
Oh.
stuff.
I want you to well, I'll let you reach over and get the garlic, and then when we're ready.
Okay, what do you got over there? I'll take the milk.
Right-handed and left-handed, doesn't matter. We're still bumping into each other. I'm just like I'm like on autopilot. You know how you just like, I'll take that. You know, when you're cooking, my brain is just, yeah, you know.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Anyway, we're gonna just let that cook a little bit, and then we're gonna add
onions.
one medium onion.
Got a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and garlic powder.
And onion powder.
And onion powder.
Yeah.
And we'll stir this up right like this.
Half a teaspoon of each.
Yes.
Sprinkle that on the meat now that it's brown.
There we go.
Beautiful.
And 1 tablespoon of garlic.
Minced garlic.
There we go.
And I mix that in there. And then I put this one on my side because she can't pronounce it.
W sauce.
The W sauce. Worcestershire sauce.
And neither the world can't say it either.
I got 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce.
Right.
Worcestershire,
Worcestershire,
that thing.
Worcestershire.
That stuff, the W sauce.
W sauce.
And then I have Steve's secret barbecue sauce.
Yes.
If you haven't tried Steve's secret barbecue sauce, it's in our cookbook.
Yes,
the recipe, and you can see it on YouTube. I'll put the link right down below, and I'll probably put one up here in the corner for you too. So this is 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, because you can't have a Western Bacon Cheeseburger Soup without barbecue sauce. It's just not possible. And then
we got
a teaspoon
of mustard.
Yay!
That goes with hamburgers. Yeah.
All right, so then we're going to take our flour. We've got just a half a cup of flour here, and I'm just going to sprinkle this lightly over our meat, and this is going to help thicken up our soup. And we're going to stir this in, and let this cook just a little bit. I'll let Shishi stir that in there. I'll show them.
All right.
So then we're going to put about a cup of mushrooms, a little bit more. They'll actually shrink down to about a cup. So we're going to put our mushrooms in and get those cooking because they're going to shrink. You can't have a burger without mushrooms.
Oh.
Might as well put them all in there. Look at all that. Yum. And of course our bacon.
Yes.
We're going to put some bacon in there.
That's going to make it really good.
Get that bacon in there. And then we've got some tomatoes.
Yes, a can of diced tomatoes, which if you got a can, you can do it.
That's right. She always says.
Yep.
Pour it on in.
There it is.
And then we've got about 3 cups of beef broth over on Shishi's side, that side. It's on your side.
It's on my side.
It's on your side.
It's on my side. Okay.
And we're going to pour that in. Can that smell good?
It does.
Ice maker.
Everything wants to be involved in this cooking show.
This has just been one of those days where the dog and the ice maker. Now, look, it's going to fill up.
Yeah.
We're going to listen to my ice maker fill up. And then we've got 2 cups of whole milk. And we're going to pour that in there.
Just filling right on up.
And we might need a little bit more beef broth. So we're going to check that out and just see as we get the rest of the ingredients in here. I might go ahead and use the rest of that box. I'm thinking we might need it. Look, Mom's already handing it to me. She's like, yes, you need it.
You need it.
She's like, you need it. Okay, so we're going to put 4 cups of the beef broth, and we'll make a change on our directions down below this video, too.
Just throw it all in there.
I'm just going to dump it all in there because that's the way we roll. All right.
Yeah,
And then we've got some cream cheese. And this is a half a block of cream cheese. Just your regular little blocks. And we're got them chopped up into smaller pieces so we can kind of spread them around. Spread the love inside that pot.
That one didn't want to go.
That one just didn't want to go, did it?
No, it did not. Okay.
All right. And then we've got 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. That cheese right on in there. And I love to use sharp cheddar cheese when I'm cooking. Now it's really starting to look like cheeseburger. And we still have our secret toppings too, so we're going to cover this Dutch oven. And by the way, the link for this Dutch oven is down in the information box below also, so you can check that out if you want. I love this Dutch oven. Steve had one just like it. He about worn that thing out. He used it so much. I think Sheila still has it down there, so we got ourselves another one that looked just like it.
She called one day because she wanted to get this Dutch oven.
Yeah.
You know, Steve Dutch oven. And so I sent her a picture of the inside of it. And she said, oh, no, we're going to have to get one.
He had worn that thing out with stirring and all kinds of stuff. I mean, he had it so long. I mean, how many years he did the cooking show, he had that Dutch oven.
Since 2014.
That's right. So, I mean, we were laughing. But, all right, so we've got this all in here. And we are going to cover this and check it here in about 15 minutes or so and see where it's at. All right, I'm just going to add 1 more cup of cheddar cheese because I think, because we added that extra cup of beef broth in there. So we're going to just stir this up. Now that's looking nice and creamy. So like we added that other cup of cheddar cheese and we added another teaspoon of pepper and just a little bit more salt. You know, you're going to want to salt and pepper this to taste. So I'm going to get my soup spoon here and let's serve up. Mmm.
Oh, it's really good.
Doesn't it? It smells delicious.
Smell-o-vision.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of this sharp cheddar mix that I've got here, this white cheddar, and white and yellow cheddar.
We got more color.
That's right. We're gonna take some of that bacon that we reserved. we're gonna take some chopped up dill pickle, because you know, gotta have a little pickle on your burger. And then our secret ingredient, we're gonna put some crispy fried onions right on top. Doesn't that look good? Maybe a little bit more cheese right there. What you think?
I think it looks awesome.
Doesn't that look delicious? Yummy!
Oh, this is really good.
Doesn't it just smell like a bacon cheeseburger?
And look at all these little critters on top.
I know, the critters on top. Yum, this smells so good. Let's try it.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready. 2 spoons up.
Okay.
Mmm. Mm-hmm. Wow. Mmm. That is delicious.
I think what really adds to this is this bacon, because it's crunchy.
Well, and the dill pickle and the crunchy onions.
It does taste like a hamburger.
It does. It's just delicious. Isn't that great?
It's really good.
Western Bacon Cheeseburger in a bowl. Yum. You have got to try this. This is so good. And Sheila's hungry. We've been waiting. This has been a long day of filming, and she's like, let's eat.
In the fall, it is so warm and cozy.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Delicious. You're going to have to try this. Yum. In fact, I'm going to take another bite.
Yeah, take another bite.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
I got to blow on it first.
That's so good. Mm. So, this was only in there for about another 30 minutes or so. Because once you've browned up that hamburger meat and the bacon's already cooked, there's not a lot that's got to be done. It just needs to be heated up.
Here's some toast.
Oh yeah, we got some bread. I'm busy talking, and again, here I go again.
I went down some of the bread. I said, oh, can we
oh, heck with the bread.
We got to do the bread.
But, so it didn't take very long to cook. Just another 30 minutes or so, and it was ready to go. I love that Dutch oven for that. And you are going to definitely want to try this. And as Steve would say, she's like, Steve would say, is this the best Western Bacon Cheeseburger Soup? If it ain't, it ought to be. Thanks for watching and liking and sharing.
And subscribing.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook,
Twitter,
Instagram, and all of those social media links are right below.
Even the Pinterest.
Oh yeah, Pinterest. We're on Pinterest. And
Pinterest,
you can get
Pinterest,
all
whatever.
those links right down there. Don't forget, you can get our cute little new aprons down on shotgunred.com. That's right. And we've got the dolls, DVDs, our brand new cookbook, all that kind of stuff. You can check it out at shotgunred.com. Don't forget to join our free membership. Like I said, all those are right below. And we'll put the links for the Dutch oven and some other goodies that we love to use in our kitchen. We appreciate you watching. And we will see you next time. She's just busy eating. She don't even care what I'm saying. Jen's just rambling again.
Rattling off again.
I'm gonna eat and you talk. Okay, that's what I do. So we'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye. All right, Mom, you gotta try this.
I can't wait.
It's good.
Get on here.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.